I've always loved the magic that goes behind making cars. Everything from the very first brushstroke to that final closely finessed sales pitch, bringing one spark of an idea to a whole team and then to the whole world. For as long as I remember, cars have been the one thing that I've always been good at, studying them, understanding them, finding their most hidden flaws, which in the end shape their fragile character.
Good morning. It's time to start a new day.
Okay, anything but stop that awful alarm.
But you know that won't help you. I will keep talking.
Oh, I know. Sometimes I wish you weren't that smart.
I have the equivalent of a 230 IQ. That actually means I am super smart.
Not that smart to function without a battery. Be quiet.
I will, but snooze is going to kick in 5.
Remind me, how long will it take us to get to the new office?
28 minutes by car, 40 minutes by train, 3 hours and 37 minutes by foot.
And how much by horse?
Horseback riding or chariot?
No. Pony.
Not efficient. 4 hours, 27.
Man, you need a sense of humor update. Why isn't that available? Are you sure we're on the right train? Almost everyone got out.
Right now, it seems it's taking a detour.
To where?
To the next stop. I suggest we get down here.
I have a hunch this is not our new office.
I am certain this is not it.
Hey, what is this?
I don't know, Mr. B, but I assume they want us to go towards that building.